This is the hashtag glow. Oh my gosh, this is... Yo! Oh my god! Oh, we should become queens up in here.
They say women are from Venus, 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 but I love my Earth girls.
Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna review, the LashyBox. Okay, this is a monthly subscription for lashes, and you also get other products along with these lashes. You get the monthly subscription for $13.99, which is the one, this is the one that I have. That's just $13.99. You can pay more for that. You can pay for months ahead, so you'll pay like $20-some for like 3 months, and then $69.99 for more months. So the one I have, you'll get up to 3 to 5 pairs of lashes and some products. You also have the mini where you'll get 2 to 3 pairs of lashes and plus products as well. That one starts off at $9.99 and goes up from there, also ending at $69.99 along with the monthly subscription. Then you also have another box which is called the Drama Box. You'll get 3 lashes and no products. No products come with that one. I have a pair of their lashes on right now at this present moment. These ones are Zola. Forgot the last name of it, but they're Zola and Flirt. I love these lashes. They're so soft and fluffy and just, like they give me life. But I did have allergic reaction to the glue, so that's like the little downfall to that. Kind of irritated my eyes just a little bit. Had a little, I don't know, like a little bump on my eye, and it was just for a little bit, but yeah, I'm not sure, it's just because, you know, of me. But we're gonna crack open this box and we're just gonna see what we got inside. I'm super excited about this though, because I love lashes. I love them. And like, you know, it's almost open, you guys, okay? All right, so I have, ooh, I like these. Okay. So we have these pairs of lashes right here. They're by Ruby May, and they are in the 3D 35 Kimmy. I like these. I think I will rock these. The ones I have on now are just, whoo, lightweight. This is something that I would just wear on a daily basis. With this one, oh, you get tweezer. It has a little thingy that it comes in, says LashyBox on it. So cute. Yes, very cute. Woo, oh, girl. Oh, they giving me life. They giving me life up in here. Look at this. And queen. Oh, we should become queens up in here. Yes. Queen, period. Oh, and in every box that you get, you'll get like this little tiny tube right here of lash glue. This is the lash glue that kind of irritated my eyes just a little bit. It's tiny, but it works and it's very worth it. I'm going to give you guys some tips on how I take care of my eyes when I have my lash glue and stuff on it. Oh, look at these, y'all. Look at these. They're just so full and like luscious. I'm gonna open this one to show you guys what I'm talking about when I say that they have layers. If you could see this, I don't think you can. On here you can kind of see how there's like layers to the lashes. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see it? I'm trying to make it where you could, yeah. I'd say 3D mink lashes. When I say, like, when I look for 3D mink lashes, I'm looking for layers. I'm not looking for the length. All right, on to the next pair. I don't think I like, these are cute. They're called Doll. I like them, but I don't know how they would look on my eyes, because I kind of look chinky sometimes. So those are 4 pairs of lashes that I have. those are the 4 pairs of lashes that I have. And for the last little bit, you'll get a makeup product of some sort in your box. This month, you get a makeup palette, and then you also the tweezers that I showed you guys previously. This is an 8 color eyeshadow palette by Ruby May. This is actually my first time opening it, like, ever. So, like, look at these colors. Look, y'all. Oh my gosh, those are some pretty colors. So let me just swatch these for y'all, okay? So this is hashtag T. Hold on, let me get some more on there so y'all can see that. Oh, can y'all? Ooh, oh, that's pretty. Y'all, stay tuned for a video with using this palette. Like, I have another one from the previous one that I love. Like, I did a QI with that. Anywho, this one is Rose. That's the color of Rose. This is the hashtag Glow. Oh my gosh, this is, yo, oh my god. Look at that. Look. What in the Saint Pete's love of makeup? This hashtag Glow is gonna be the glow of my life. Like, I will beat my face and throw that on, like, the middle of my eye just to, like, add some pop, or to it in the crease of my eye just to be like I'm glowing, you know? Hashtag glow, period. Oh my gosh, I did not expect that to look like that. I don't know what I expected it to look like, but I didn't expect it to look like that. I'm gonna just be completely honest with you. Now we're gonna go in with the hashtag flirt. These colors are so pigmented. I did not think that these were gonna be this pigmented at all. A lot of these companies kind of don't cater to, like, they don't pick up the pigment as well as they should when it comes to, like, you know, pigment. It'll be bright on here, but then, like, when you put it on your skin, or, like, even when you have a primer or a base on your eye to make the colors pop, it does not pop like it does on the palette. So I'm really, Ruby May, you did it. You did it, sis. You did it. I love it. Okay, we're gonna go with hashtag shade now. The one above it is hashtag glow. The one below it is hashtag shade. I really like that. I do. I really like that. All of these have, like, a glow to them in some way, shape, or form. They have a glow to them. It's not like they're, like, just like, you know, they're just there. But no, they are really, oh my gosh, amazing. This one is hashtag babe. Hashtag babe is right there. It's a mix between babe, hashtag babe, and hashtag mermaid that, like, matches my nail. I literally got the unicorn dust on my nail because I love unicorns. From there, we're just gonna go to mermaid. No, I don't think I can do this. I really don't think I can do this. You wanna know why? This hashtag mermaid is, like, oh my gosh. Hashtag mermaid. I'm gonna be a mermaid every day. Like, I would just wear this as one color. Poop. Like, hashtag mermaid, period. I'm gonna go with this last one. And I don't want to butcher the name, so I'm not gonna say it. Because I have issues with pronouncing stuff for some odd reason. This gold color is, like, definitely it. I like the gold. I love doing, like, a gold neutral eye for, like, just a basic, you know, beat or whatever. I'm not disappointed. I'm not disappointed. They do a great job. Every box that you get is just definitely worth it. I wouldn't say, not once would I say that it's not worth it, because it is. It's worth every penny. You get the lashes, then you get a lash glue along with the lashes, so you don't have, like, if you don't have any already, it's already provided for you. So you don't have to go and buy anything else for it, you know? It's just already here for you. I give this a 5 out of 5, like seriously, 5 out of 5 for everything. I will actually link this down below along with all of my social medias and everything else. If you guys want me to continue to do product reviews, let me know in the comments down below. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I post. I will be doing a video on my hair and how I keep it up. I also will be doing a makeup tutorial using these products. If you guys don't mind, share this with all your family and friends. I haven't come up with a name yet, but we're gonna have one. Just come and join the family. You guys won't be disappointed. I will be dropping videos more often. So yeah, y'all have a great day. Be blessed. And yeah, until next time, I'm Brena Michelle, and I will see you guys sometime this week.